Shotgun with Charlie.
Oh my goodness. So we just had a fun moment where we had to change the batteries in the cameras. So we pulled over to a rest area, conveniently right where...
Emergency parking only, 2-hour limit.
Well, it's less than a 2-hour limit.
And it was emergency.
And it was an emergency. We're not outside peeing.
We have
So
a
that's
battery
the good
emergency. We'll get a picture of that too.
There we go.
That's the best part of an emergency is it may not be an emergency for everyone. Just
For one
Just for
person.
one person.
One person is the emergency. You never know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Poor planning
Oh
on
my
the other half. And
So as we pull in for this,
Right.
then the police officer pulls across and parks directly across from us, looking
Right.
at us. And
Looking at us like, what's going on? So
and
he's-
Charlie's like, oh my.
Oh, great. So we're getting pulled over. How many guns do you have, Rob?
there's 3 guns here.
3 guns there.
One in my purse.
1 in my leg, 1 under my seat, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Glock SR, Glock P22, 1911, 38, 22 revolver. So there's 7 guns in the trunk, 6 guns in the trunk, 1 under my seat, 1 on me, 1 on you, and 3 with Rob.
That's just
So where are you guys
situation
going?
normal.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. What are you doing? Nothing.
Nothing.